Meet the iSAGE Four-Arm Humanoid Robot, a next-generation machine that's redefining what automation can do. Built by Sage Robotics, this powerful system combines precision, speed and flexibility and is ready to boost productivity in factories across America. Standing around 5 foot tall and weighing roughly 280 kilograms, the iSAGE robot has not 2 but 4 coordinated arms. It offers an incredible 52 degrees of freedom, allowing smooth and complex movements that mimic human dexterity. Each arm can handle payloads of up to 16 kilograms with accuracy down to plus or minus 0.03 millimeters. That's tighter than most CNC tolerances. The robot isn't fixed to one spot either. It's mounted on a wheeled base that allows it to move around your workspace. That mobility can improve operational efficiency by up to 200% and makes production layouts far more flexible. It's fitted with 6 advanced camera modules for 3D vision, full area scanning and precision positioning. And it runs on Sage's proprietary control systems, Sage Brain and Sage OS, giving it millisecond response times and support for AI modules and cloud control. So how can you benefit? First, you can automate multiple tasks at once, cutting labor costs and increasing throughput. Second, you'll get consistent quality with less waste and fewer human errors. And third, it's a modular design, means you can expand capabilities as your business grows. What tasks would you hand over to a four-arm robot? And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, head over to robophil.com to join the waiting list for the workshops or to speak to the team directly about robotics. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.